Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's long lesson, we are going to talk about daily life problems in English. These are problems that people face every single day, no matter where they live. Rich or poor, young or old, everyone has daily problems. In real life, we do not speak English using difficult grammar or complex words. We usually speak simple English, but we need the right sentences. In this lesson, you will learn how to describe problems, how to explain your feelings, how to complain politely, how to ask for help, how to talk about solutions. Please listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to use these sentences in your daily life. Part 1. Problems at Home 1.1. Electricity and water problems. In many places, electricity and water problems are very common. People say, "There is no electricity today. We don't have power right now. The electricity went out last night. There is no water in the house. The water pressure is very low." Example sentences. We couldn't use the fan because there was no electricity. I couldn't take a shower because there was no water. Mini conversation. A. Why is it so hot inside? B. Because there is no electricity. A. Since when? B. Since last night. 1.2 Internet and technology at home. Nowadays, Internet problems cause many difficulties. Common sentences. The Internet is very slow. The Wi-Fi is not working. The connection keeps disconnecting. I can't attend my online class. Extended practice. I was in an online meeting, but the Internet stopped working. I couldn't upload my video because the Internet was too slow. Conversation A. Did you finish your work? Did you finish? B. No, the Internet wasn't working. A. That's frustrating. B. Yes, very frustrating. 1.3 Family and household problems. Family problems are sensitive but very common. Useful sentences. We had a misunderstanding. We argued about a small issue. There is tension at home. Everyone is stressed. Examples. We argued because of money. Sometimes small problems become big problems. Part 2. Work and study problems. 2.1 Work pressure and stress. Many people feel pressure at work. Common sentences. I have too much work. I feel under pressure. I work long hours. I don't have enough rest. Extended explanation. When work increases, stress also increases. Stress affects health and family life. Conversation A. How is work going? B. Very stressful these days. A. Why B. Too much work and little time. 2.2 Salary and job problems. Money and job problems are connected. Useful sentences. My salary is very low. My income is not stable. I'm looking for a better job. It's hard to find work. Practice sentences. Even with a full-time job, expenses are high. I want a job with better pay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun English learning videos. 2.3 Study and education problems. Students also face many problems. Common sentences. I don't understand the lesson. English is difficult for me. I'm afraid of making mistakes. I feel shy when I speak. Conversation. A. Why don't you speak in class? B. I'm afraid of making mistakes. A. Mistakes help you learn. Part 3. Money and financial problems. 3.1 Daily expenses. Everything is becoming expensive. Useful sentences. Prices are increasing. Everything costs more now. My expenses are higher than my income. Examples. Food prices are very high. Transportation costs a lot. 3.2 Debt and saving problems. Many people struggle with saving money. Common sentences: I can't save money. I'm in debt. I borrowed money. I need to manage my expenses. Conversation: A. Are you saving money? B. No, it's very difficult. A. I understand. Part 4. Health and mental problems. 4.1 Physical health issues. Useful sentences: I feel weak. I have body pain. I need rest. Examples: I feel tired all the time. My back hurts. 4.2 Stress, anxiety, and sleep. Mental health is very important. Common sentences: I feel anxious. I can't sleep well. I'm overthinking. My mind is tired. Conversation: A. Why are you quiet? B. I'm feeling anxious. A. Try to relax. Part 5. Transportation problems. Sentences: Traffic is terrible. Public transport is unreliable. I waste a lot of time traveling. Conversation: A. How long does it take? By almost 2 hours. Part 6. Social and communication problems. 6.1. 1. Communication difficulties. Useful sentences: I can't express myself well. People misunderstand me. I lack confidence. 6.2 Language problems. Common sentences: I forget words when I speak. I translate in my head. I speak slowly. Encouragement: practice makes progress. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Part 7. Daily routine and time problems. Sentences: I don't have enough time. My schedule is busy. I feel exhausted. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun English learning videos. Conclusion: daily life problems are normal. What matters is how we talk about them and how we handle them. By practicing these sentences every day, your English will improve step by step. Thank you for spending your time with this lesson. Please like, share, and subscribe for more long English lessons. Questions and answers. Practice with shadow speaking. This section is designed for speaking practice. First, listen to the question. Then, listen to the answer. Finally, repeat the answer aloud. Shadow speaking. Part A. Home problems. Q&A. Question 1. What problem do you have at home today? Answer: Today, I have a problem at home. There is no electricity, and it is very hot. I cannot use the fan or charge my phone. Shadow speaking. Repeat the answer slowly. Question 2. How does this problem make you feel? Answer: This problem makes me feel uncomfortable and stressed because I cannot relax or work properly. Shadow speaking. Repeat the answer. Part B. Work and study problems. Q&A question. 3. What kind of problems do you face at work or school? Answer: At work I face many problems. I have too much work, little rest, and a lot of pressure. Sometimes I feel very tired. Shadow speaking. Repeat clearly and confidently. Question 4. How do you deal with stress at work or school? Answer: I try to manage my time better. I take short breaks, stay calm, and remind myself that problems are temporary. Shadow speaking. Repeat the answer. Part C. Money problems. Q&A. Question 5. Do you worry about money? Answer: Yes, I worry about money because prices are high and my income is limited. I try to spend carefully and save when possible. Shadow speaking. Repeat slowly. Question 6. What do you do when you don't have enough money? Answer: When I don't have enough money, I reduce my expenses, avoid unnecessary shopping, and plan my budget carefully. Shadow speaking. Repeat the answer. Part D. Health problems. Q&A question. 7. How do you feel when you are tired or stressed? Answer, when I am tired or stressed, I feel weak and unfocused. I try to rest, sleep well, and take care of my health. Shadow speaking. Repeat the answer. Question 8. What do you do to improve your mental health? Answer, to improve my mental health, I take breaks, talk to positive people, and try not to overthink. Shadow speaking. Repeat clearly. Part E. Transportation problems. Q&A question. 9. What transportation problems do you face? Answer, I often face traffic problems. The roads are crowded and public transportation is usually late. Shadow speaking. Repeat the answer. Question 10. How does traffic affect your daily life? Answer, traffic wastes a lot of my time and makes me tired before I reach my destination. Shadow speaking. Repeat slowly. Part F. Communication problems. Q&A. Question 11. Do you feel confident speaking English? Answer, sometimes I feel confident, but sometimes I feel shy and nervous. I am improving step by step. Shadow speaking. Repeat with confidence. Question 12. What helps you improve your English speaking? Answer, practice helps me improve my English. I listen carefully, repeat sentences, and speak every day. Shadow speaking. Repeat the answer. How to use shadow speaking for learners. 1. Listen to the sentence carefully. 2. Play it again. 3. Repeat immediately after the speaker. 4. Focus on pronunciation and rhythm. 5. Repeat the same sentence 3 times. Final practice message. Remember, speaking English is a skill. The more you practice, the better you become. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Thank you for practicing with this lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun English learning videos.